Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
So we're now in Sweden and we're going to park up by this beautiful lake for the evening. It's obviously used before. It's down a bit of an off-road track. There's a table and chairs here and some tyres. So I'm going to put my gloves on. I'm going to quickly tidy this area up. That's suitable for us. So there you go, all tidied up. Moved all the tyres out of the area. Stacked them up behind the tree there with the other chair. Cleaned up all the litter. Washed the table down. Washed the chairs down. And prepared the fire pit with the litter in it ready to burn. Just got to make sure now that you can start a fire in Sweden this time of year. An open fire. And what a gorgeous spot. We're just getting the fire going for tonight's. Oh, what's Claire doing? Oh. Make sure that you always carry some scruffs with you in your van. Either you'll be doing what I've just done there, tramping through the forest or stinking of smoke, or you'll be lying underneath your van. So make sure you've got some scruffs with you. And this. Oh yeah, well done. Claire's gone off to collect the firewood. Unsuccessfully.
That bit's heavy.
Okay. So, the adventure is nearing an end. It's not there yet. But when we first proposed that we would get a bigger van, Freddie, Claire went out and got us a special present to celebrate not only the build, but our first big adventure in him. And you've witnessed it, folks. We've been all around Norway, we're now in Sweden, and we've still got a bit of Denmark to do. So we've got a nice bottle of champagne.
It's been personalised.
It's been personalised, our adventures.
And the honours.
And the honours on film goes to me. But what could possibly go wrong now is I take one of my solar panels out.
You can have that.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh.
Wow. And folks, this goes to you as well for subscribing, following our crazy adventures. I just hope that it inspires you guys to do the same. And well, not inspire, I don't mean it that way, that's a bit prima donna, but you know what I'm trying to get at.
Yeah, we just want you to get out and have the same fun and experiences as we have.
Because life goes by in a in a pop. Before you know it, I can't do a take two with that. Before you know it, it's over, sir. Get out, experience the world. That's what we're trying to do. And even if it's local, it doesn't matter. Just get out and about. This'll all be gone tonight.
I'll have a headache tomorrow morning.
We'll have a special third driver that we've brought along with us. You've never seen him. He's in the background just for these type of occasions when we're drinking.
A bit like the Stig.
A bit like the Stig, yeah.
Cheers to our adventures.
Cheers to our adventures and to yours. Good morning world, it's a brand new day. And Claire's refusing to get out of bed. Here she is, tucked up in the... She's refusing to get out of bed until the heater kicks in earnest. We're still still by that lake in Sweden. We're just going to tidy up the van. It's a bit of a mess. The diesel heater's kicking in. Oh, and it's going to be toasty in seconds. So the one that we've got is a 5 kilowatt Chinese rip-off diesel heater.
But it works.
And it's been fantastic in all fairness, isn't it? It's been a really good purchase, that. And where I've put it, let's see if I can show you. It's down there. So it's underneath the shelf there. I'll give you more detail going through it on the build video, which I will get round to doing at some point. So, right, I'm going to let Claire get dressed because I'm good like that.
Thank you.
You don't have to run around in your pyjamas today.
Oh.
And then we'll square things away and get on the road.
Come on, Freddie. Oh, what a lovely spot.
Yeah,
It was nice having table and chairs and that out there.
yeah, it was. So we've just stopped for lunch in a big industrial town on this big Swedish lake, and now we're going to go and try and find a suitable place to park for the night. We're not too sure if we're going to get a campsite yet or live in the wild again, eh?
Live in the wild.
Oh, we like the wild. So we'll see you in a bit. Claire's spotted some cultural interest for us to go and have a look at in Sweden. It's a sculpture of Picasso, evidently. To me it looks like a totem pole. Here we are, guys, Picasso's totem pole. Impressed? What I'm more impressed with is the size of this lake behind us here. I don't know if you can make out what you can't make out, and that is there's no end to it. You can't see the coast the other side. Wow. So if you're in the Swedish region, this great big lake which I've pointed out to you earlier, and you've got a sheep to sacrifice, maybe come down here and sacrifice it underneath a massive totem pole. I think now we're going to go off and try and find a hairdresser. Yeah. Right, so let's go and find a place to stay for the night. We need to get out of this tourist area. It's quite a tourist trap around here, and get ourselves alongside this lake somewhere, preferably on the west coast of it, so that we can take full advantage of the sun going down this evening. Well, I've just been given my marching orders to go and check out one of these buildings out here, just in case in the middle of the night we need to go to the loo. So let's go and have a look. Hit 20 degrees today. I'm happy with that. Ooh. As I'm looking here then, folks, I'll let you go first, I think. I don't think Claire will be happy with them. Me, on the other hand, that's bad. I do care where I go, but if you need to go, you need to go. And when you're in a camper without a toilet, you've got a choice. You either use them or you use that. I'm just reporting back to you the loo situation. I would say it's a no-go for you.
Okay.
It looks like the French did in the 80s.
Oh, nice.
Bit of a wooden shelf. Put it this way, I think they've been there since the Romans. But before the Romans put in any kind of
sanitation.
Yeah. I'm glad we've got one of the highest concentrations of DEET formula mozzie cream that we've just cracked out for the first time. Now, we're quite aware that if you come to some of these, like, what are you laughing at? I'm trying to give an informative speech here. So, DEET. Oh, I know what she's laughing at. It's because I called it VEET earlier. Is that what you're laughing at? I say I need to put some VEET on.
Crack open your VEET.
Crack open the VEET, because they're scared of a hairless man. They don't come anywhere near you if you VEET yourself up. So DEET formula. Make sure you bring a really strong mozzie repellent with you that contains a lot of DEET, just in case you come across a field of mozzies. I don't know if you can catch them dancing around down there, the little buggers, but they've not come anywhere near us at the moment. That's either to do with my DEET, my VEET, or Claire's cooking. So another thing, folks, I don't know if you're in the same predicament as us. I've never been here before. It's quite emotional, what I'm about to say. We can't help but name things. So I've had plenty of cars in my lifetime. And when we started moving into the truck world with a couple of 4x4s that we've had, we started to name them. And then the vans came along and we named them. 4x4s were girls' names, and the vans have been boys' names, Hugo and Freddie. But now we've gone down to naming things inside the van, which is a bit crazy. So now we've got Barry the Bin. That's the reason there, people. That just there. Barry the Bin.
Bazza.
And to make it worse, I've shortened it to Bazza the Bin over this holiday. But seriously, we've been talking about it, haven't we? Oh, Bazza the Bin's full again. We need to get Bazza emptied.
Where's Bazza?
Where's Bazza moved to? So we're going to stay here for the night, and then we'll have to start making our way towards Denmark. So we'll do a sensible time in the morning, I think, tomorrow. You'll be happy with that. And then, meaning we're going to set an alarm. And then we'll get some miles under our belt and push on towards Denmark, ready for Copenhagen. So where we are is at this massive freshwater lake. It is an absolute tremendous size. The size of it. You just can't see land when you're looking across it at all.